If you're tracking leads and clients in your inbox, notes app, or spreadsheet, this video will help you. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use ClickUp as a simple CRM, just enough to stay organized without learning a complicated sales system. By the way, what does CRM mean? CRM means Customer Relationship Management, and in plain English, CRM just means a place to track people and conversations. We're not building something complicated or fancy. We're simply keeping track of who your leads are, where they are in your process, and what you need to follow up on next. By the way, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to sign up to ClickUp for completely free. Now let's dive in. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to be creating a new space. So you're going to tap right where you see New Space and you're going to call the space CRM. By the way, Space is basically a department in your business or the main purpose why you're using ClickUp. So for example, we'll be using it for CRM, so we're going to type in CRM. And when it comes onto ClickUp, you can create more than one space, so you can create more than one department. After you have done that, what I want you to do next, you're going to be creating a list. And a list is basically a sub-department or a file in that particular department. So you're going to tap right where you see list, you're going to tap on the plus, you're going to select list, and we're going to be calling our list leads and clients. So I'll just type in leads and clients right here. After you have done that, you're going to tap on create. Once you have selected create, what I want you to do next and what I like about ClickUp is they're going to be suggesting some statuses. And the status is basically the pipeline showing where a client is at in your business, where they're at. For example, new lead, contacted, follow up, not interested, went cold, or qualified. So you're going to be selecting apply suggestions. After you have selected apply suggestions, you can see that they have been added right there. Now to add a new lead, you can choose where they are at in the pipeline. So for example, new lead. So we'll tap right where you see task 1 and we're going to be changing that to, for example, we'll call our first client Sarah. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can add in the client onboarding date, client phone number, client information as you can see right here, client follow-up and so on. And these are called custom fields. If it is a case that you would like to remove or add a custom field, you can do that. You will simply tap on the plus in line with custom field, then you'll tap on create a field. For example, you could select custom text. After you have selected custom text, from here you can give it a heading. So for example, I'll just give it a random heading. Let's say for example, the heading that I'll be giving it is email address. So we'll type in email address right here. After you have done that, you're going to tap right where you see long text and we're just going to be adding text instead. Then we'll select manual fill and you'll tap on create. So you can see right here that we have now created the field email, as you can see right there, email address. And we'll be able to tap in this section and we'll be able to add in the client's email address. Another thing that I also want to show you how to do is once you have closed this, you can see right there, if it is a case that you would like to add an additional field in your pipeline, you'll be able to do that by simply scrolling down. You'll see the option new status. You can tap right here. And for example, let's say we would like to add one more, which would be, let's say, closed. You can simply type in closed right here. Then tap on enter. And you can see right there that we have added a new status or a new field in our pipeline. So we can move Sarah through the fields, and what I would recommend you do is change the view. So you're going to tap right where you see board at the top, and from here you can move her through the pipeline. So first new lead, then from there you could move her to contact, then from there you can move to follow up, not interested, or went cold. So this is how your pipeline will look. And as you can see, it is quite straightforward and easy to use when it comes onto ClickUp. And that's basically it when it comes down to using ClickUp as a CRM. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If it is a case that you would like to give it a try, I've included links in the pinned comment and description. Thanks for watching.